Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking down obvious power drains. Open settings and enable battery saver now. Reduce screen refresh to 60 Hz and lower max brightness so the display uses far less energy. Turn off always-on display and remove heavy home screen widgets. This prevents background updates. Once done, make sure location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi scanning are limited to apps you trust. Only allow permissions when needed. These first steps immediately cut display and radio power, which are the biggest battery consumers. Now focus on apps and radios. Open settings, identify high-drain apps, and restrict background activity so they don't wake the phone constantly. Enable adaptive power features and shorten screen timeout to 1 minute or less. Set email and cloud sync to manual or longer intervals to reduce wake-ups. When possible, use Wi-Fi instead of cellular, and disable 5G if you don't need it. 5G can be a big battery hog. Make sure to restart after major changes, so Android applies optimized battery rules. Finish with system-level tweaks. Switch to dark mode to save OLED power and lower animation scales in developer options for fewer GPU cycles. Update your firmware and apps. Optimizations often improve battery life and avoid overnight fast charging cycles when not needed. If you still see fast drains, inspect the battery usage graph to spot culprits, then boot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app is responsible. If that identifies an app, uninstall or restrict it. Otherwise, consider a factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.